Hi there, I'm at Skydive Dubai and I'm about to do my first ever skydiving. Now basically, in order to do solo jump, you'd have to go through 3 weeks of training. I simply don't have the time right now. So what I am going to do is something called tandem diving. Now allow me to explain what that is. Basically my instructor will strap himself to me and we'll be jumping out together. We'll be jumping out from 13,000 feet over the palm, and it should be a fantastic view. So let's go.